Hey everyone, and welcome to the ScriptableObject tutorial. This tutorial is basically going to help you understand how to support inheritance with ScriptableObjects. Currently, whenever you go into Unity and you want to serialize out a base class, maybe a subclass, and things like that, you'll notice in the inspector, it doesn't really show the subclass data. It only shows the base class. Because of the way Unity serializes out and deserializes in, it's only going to do the base class. I'll go ahead and give you an example of that. So let's say we're going to come into here, we're going to create an empty game object, a quest. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to go and create a base class called quest. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and configuring. Now it's done configuring. Now modified, hit reload. Now we have a quest. Ushin. Alright. Ready to go. So we'll come into here. It's not gonna do anything for now. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and make this an abstract class because we're not gonna actually go and make quests. We're gonna go and make subclasses of them. So go ahead and make this an abstract class. Okay. Here. That out. And now we're gonna need some properties. Well, we're gonna want to make a private field. Private string quest name. Okay, and we're going to make a accessor for it. Here for it. Yeah, it's pretty simple. That close all the properties. So that fixed. What we're gonna do is so that's the quest name, and then we want to say, you know what? Is the quest finished? This finished because you finish, so you can turn edit value. Go ahead and make these serializable fields so they can be seen in the inspector. That's how it works inside Unity. Okay, and then we'll put it there. Okay. So that's pretty much that. It's just gonna have a quest name, and this is the quest finished. Come into here. Go ahead and let it recompile. You can see. And then when that's done, we'll go ahead and create a script. And we're gonna call it hunt quest because we're gonna go on a hunt quest, and we want that to be different. It's a based on the class of quest, but it's gonna have some extra functionality too. Okay, so that hunt quest. Yep. This. Not gonna model behavior. Inherit quest. Okay. And then we'll come in here, and a hunt quest is gonna basically and it's gonna private enemy field. The enemy is gonna go and fight quest. that specific enemy type. Okay, and then enemy. But okay, we'll make this serializable. Be pretty much that, and we can go ahead and do more of these, but they're actually going to be more serializable fields. They're not going to be strings. They're actually going to be ints. Because you go on a hunt quest, you want to know, what's the current count that you actually killed of the enemy you look for. Of a max count. Basically, your target count for when this hunt quest to be completed. You got to go kill this type of enemy this amount of times. This is not colon. Enemy current count, max count. Inside of these is going to be two ints. Current count. Okay. All coming. Max count. Current count. That. Oh, careful with the copy paste. And then we'll just have this max count. Now you got all your little variables set up, and like that's cool and everything. Well, we got to make sure, since this is a class that we created and it's not based off of Unity.object, this is just object, then we need to make sure this is serializable. The way we do that is namespace serializable. That's going to be able to be shown in the inspector, because by default you would not be able to see quests in the inspector. And then the hunt quest is going to come into here, serializable, adding the namespace, bam. And then we'll do one more script. This one is going to be for an item. Not what. Oh. Okay. Bam. Yeah. Go. Open. There we go. West. West. Alright, this will implement. Now it's gonna have some similarities as the other one, so we can just go into Hunt Quest and we'll just take out the string field. This, copy it, publish string, the item that you're looking for, and then it's very, very simple. It's all this class. Don't have to worry about anything. All of this actual quest system. Show you inheritance out script objects first. Simple as that. And then this one is serializable. Alright, so this one's serializable too. How about that? Alright, well, we need to show these in the inspector, so the way we do that is we create a model behavior, script, call it quest log. Okay? Quest log. Well, this is going to be attached. File, drag it in there. The reason we're doing that is because let's say in your game anybody can. I don't know, but it's not a new behavior. There you go. That's gonna work. Come in here. File. Hey. Come on. Component. Quest log. Okay. So come in here. Not gonna really do anything except on. It's gonna have just public of quests, obviously. Quests. On start, we'll just go ahead and initialize quests. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and create quest. Set to quest. We could have used. We'll go and do it. So we're gonna go into here. We're gonna go and create a constructor. Quest. This, and then we'll just go ahead and just set all these values. Got enemy current count, max count. So set to current count. Set to obviously 0. You haven't done anything. Max count. We can. Okay, that'll be for the hunt quest. Item quest. We can go. Here, do that. So that here, and then it. We'll just do this. This will be quest. So we're gonna create a new hut quest. Obviously, it's useless to add. Take the copy paste. Copy. Item quest. IQ. So now when we click start, this is gonna have a list of quests. Okay, and I'll go over here. Okay, so we got this. We're gonna come in here, hit play. Wait for it to play. It's playing. It's not. Quest. It's a quest. New. Yeah, work now. There we go. Okay, so quest was abstract. Couldn't do it. Okay, well, we'll be making them abstract in a little bit. But for now, we're going to go ahead. You can do all kinds of stuff like this. You can come in here. You can create a quest. Oh, man, it's cool. But you know what? I don't want a regular quest. I want a hunt quest or a um item quest. So we don't want to do that. So we'll come into here, we'll just save the scene, we're gonna run it. Well, cool. We got a size of 2 quests in here. When you click the elements, one of them is supposed to be a hunt quest and one of them is an item quest. Well, they are, but as I was saying before, the way Unity serializes out, this is a list of quests. That is the object it is going to serialize anything out as, and when it deserializes, it's going to bring it back in as. So that means you want to send in an item quest in here. That's cool. The list can accept it, but it's going to serialize it out as a quest, not an item quest. And when it deserializes, it's going to be a quest, not an item quest. So you're like, well, man, it'd be cool if we could get around that and actually see it in the inspector and do things with it. Well, you can. What you do is, those are going to reset. We're going to go in here. First off, we're going to take off serializable. Okay? We're going to come into here. We're going to inherit from ScriptableObject. We're actually, we took the serialized field off because by default, ScriptableObject is inherits from Unity.object of Unity Engine.object, excuse me. So that means when you do a Unity Engine.object, everything that Unity serializes, anything in the inspector shows up if it's a Unity Engine.object. So mono behavior inherits from Unity Engine.object. ScriptableObjects do the same. So they show up in the inspector. The reason we had to put serialized field here is because that's an object we created. That's not a Unity object. So that's why we had to put serialized field. But now we can actually make it abstract. Okay? And then this is going to go, hunt quest is now going to be that, so we don't need to make it serializable anymore. Okay? Take this, we can get rid of this. This is going to be useless because it doesn't take constructors as a scriptable object. We're going to have to actually make this void on enable. So whenever it gets enabled, it's just going to by default set the values to this. Okay, so we want that. And then we're going to go and do the exact same thing for item quest. So item quest is going to be this. We'll just go ahead and change this void on. Bang. That's it. Take the serializable off. Not gonna need it. There you go. So you got you some scriptable objects now. Another thing is right here, you cannot do this because it's a scriptable object. You have to do object. Create instance, and then we're going to create an instance of a hunt quest. Of course. Okay, and then we got to do the same thing for this, except it's the item quest. Alright, so there you go. So that's pretty much all that we did. We changed, no big deal. Come into here. Pop up. Going into here. We gotta all this. And oh man, we got a hunt quest and an item quest. Remember last time. Now, you notice it's like, oh, it's element 0, element 1. What happened to the drop downs? Well, I mean, it doesn't know to do that. These are scriptable objects. But the neat trick is you can double click on this. There's your hunt quest, and here's all your data. That is a legit hunt quest. That's what I wanted. Well, this is an item quest. I want that too. Look, it's an item. These are your base from your base class. So that's awesome. You can come in here. You can change all that. It's so neat. Cool. Well, you're like, well, that's cool and everything. So that'll help support the inheritance issue that we're having inside of the serialization and deserialization from Unity. But in the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can create a custom editor. So what happens is when you're going to go and instead of clicking play and then letting it populate and everything, what if you could create a quest log in the editor and not even use it, not even run it in play mode to have to populate that? And then you can just save it as an asset. Because scriptable objects give you the power to where you save it as an asset and you can just drag it into the scene. So what we'll do is in the next episode, we're going to go into this quest log, make it a scriptable object, we'll create an asset for it, and then we'll create a quest component and drag it as a reference, and then all the fun stuff will start happening from there. So, till the next video, I appreciate it. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope it's been informative so far. The next one's going to be real great when we're going to custom editing. Thank y'all. Blessed day. Bye.